student, welcome to online tutorial session. Today we will discuss about the topic that is apply style in your Word documents. Okay, so let's first discuss about what is the applying style means. Okay, so the style features in Words allow us to quickly format a document with a consistent and the professional look. Okay, so styles are set of formats we can quickly apply to a paragraph. For example, by applying a style, we can set the font, we can set the font size also, and also the align of the paragraph all at once. That we have learned in a separate way, that how to change the font size or change the font style and change the alignment of a paragraph. So this all in combined we can done if you apply styles. So some styles even include the borders and the shading. So you in the earlier video I have shown you that how you can apply border and the shading part in the document. So if you apply the style part, then all in all the features of Word, that is changing the font styles, size, as well as the paragraph alignment, as well as the border and shading, all of you can get in this one options. Okay, so what should be the first step to do that? That initial step is to select the paragraph that you want to change the particular slide. Suppose I want this part of the topic to be selected. Okay, so you can see this part I want. Okay, so up to this part I have selected. Okay, then after selection is in, you have to go to the home tab that is present. Okay, so I'm click here is the home tab. So under the home tab, okay, so we have to click there is a down arrow of style is there. Okay, so it is present under the style group. Okay, so quickly I am moving towards that, and I am going for the style options. Okay, so style you are getting, that is style group you are getting. If you click on the style group, okay, so there are different type of styles are there, you are able to see. Okay, different type of styles is out there, and in case of if you are working on the system only, then there will be a style total style group is there. Under this several options are there. Okay, that is normal, then no spacing, then heading 1, like the same is there. Okay, normal, no spacing, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, everything is like that. So you have to click on that. As soon as you have clicked, then choose any style among them. So I want the heading 1. Okay, so as soon as I have clicked the heading 1, you can notify, you can guess there is a changes in the style. Previously it is not there. Okay, so now the same thing that I am already done, I am going with the another features. Okay, another style, let's choose another style. Okay, again I'm going for the style. Already my selections has been done, so I'm going for heading 3. So check if you are going for heading 3 what it looks like. Okay, so now we are going for the trying the another option. Okay, that is attribution. You check the whenever you apply the attributions one, it is automatically changes. Okay, then we will quickly go for the emphasis one. There are many more are there. Okay, so there is a subtail emphasis, you are getting this one. And if you are going to have a look on the instant emphasis, okay, if you do instant emphasis, how it is look like, you are able to see. So there are different style options you are getting. I am showing all a glass. If you choose, then how it will look like. Okay, now going for the another one, all the options that are present. So let's check for the no spacing option. See, when I have clicked the no spacing option, this automatically whatever amount of space are given between the lines, it is automatically erased and make it fixed. Okay, so now the next one, heading I have done. Let's do for the title. Okay, so as soon as I click at the title part, okay, so this changes the features. Okay, now choose for the another one, that is I'm going for the strong one. Okay, if I'm going for the strong one, you are able to see the whatever font size is there, it is increased, as well as it is automatically become bold. Okay, so next go for the another options. Okay, instance code, then book title. Okay, least paragraph. Slowly check subtitle reference type. Okay, so this is another style is there. Okay, now we are moving for the another one. Okay, that is instance code. If you are using this, you are able to see that how it is actually changing. Okay, now let's go for the another one. Okay, so let's go for the book title one. So if I choose the book title one, then the sentence of the paragraph that you have chosen will be look like this. Okay, now again we are moving for the another one, least paragraph. Okay, so if you are choosing the least paragraph options, then it will be look like this. Okay, let's go that we have not done. Okay, so that one. Okay, subtitle preferences, if I done or not. Subtitle preference we have not done, so I have checked for the subtitle preference also. Now attribution, we will check for the attribution, that is left, and normal. Okay, again we are going back to the normal one. Okay, so check the normal one will look like this. Okay, so almost heading 3 I am trying. So almost all of the style that is present over here, okay, we have tried. In title one, title one will look like this. Okay, so once more we are going for the checking that we have done all or not. Yes, we have applied all the possible style that is present. We have done this one. So again I'm repeating why we required the style option. The style features in words allow us to quickly format a document. Okay, so formatting the document means that initially I have explained you, formatting means that changing the font style, changing the font size also. If you want to add text color also, you can do that one also. Paragraph indentation is most important one. Okay, so paragraph indentations, paragraph alignments is also there. So these things we need to take care while we doing the formatting for a Word document. Same thing, all the combining those formatting features, stylist came up with the combining of all those features. If you add style, then automatically this kind of a formatting has been done. Okay, I hope you're able to understand this one. Please try this practical. Okay, thank you student. I'm ending my lecture over here.